Hello everyone, today we will talk about the end times. How will the universe end and what will happen then? Let's get started. It is currently believed that there are three ways in which the universe could end: the Big Crunch, the Big Rip, and the Heat Death. The Big Crunch will happen if gravity prevails and the expansion of the universe is decelerated to the point where the entire universe collapses again on itself. The Big Rip is the scenario where the expansion prevails over gravity and every atom is eventually detached from one another, while the Heat Death is a mix of the two, where the universe kind of melts on itself. Let's go through each one of them and see which is more likely. The universe is currently expanding. This is due to the effect of dark energy. If dark energy gets stronger, the expansion of the universe will accelerate, and eventually it will win over the effect of gravity. Galaxies will be torn apart. Then planets will be moved away from their home stars, and they will gradually explode because of their internal pressure. Lastly, all matter will lose its gravitational pull, and atoms will be put apart from each other never to be seen again. The universe will be literally ripped apart. This scenario is improbable, since calculations suggest that dark energy will not become strong enough to defeat gravity. Therefore the universe likely won't be torn apart. If dark energy gets weaker, however, gravity will defeat it, and the expansion of the universe will be stopped and, eventually, reversed. This will increase the weight of objects, planets will get compressed, stars and galaxies will collapse together, until the entire mass of the universe will be concentrated in its center just like in the beginning. The state of the universe will thus return to its origins, and because this state is highly unstable, it is likely that there will be another Big Bang and another universe will form, suggesting this process has happened and will happen infinitely. This is the most bullshit of the three theories. The main problem is the infinite duration of matter, which I already explained was impossible. In addition, calculations also suggest that gravity will not increase to a point where such scenario may be expected. The most likely outcome of the end times is therefore the heat death of the universe. In this scenario, the expansion of the universe goes on at a constant rate, and gravity remains stable. This environment allows for entropy to increase. Entropy is commonly defined as the grade of disorder in a system. It is what makes matter want to occupy empty spaces instead of sticking together. In a low entropy system, most particles are concentrated in a single location, while in a high entropy system, particles tend to spread evenly throughout the entire space. Naturally, entropy tends to increase in closed systems, which means that if gravity and dark matter do not alter the situation, entropy will likely increase to maximum. Matter will slowly be detached from itself and solid objects will melt into a formless substance. The entire universe will contain the same density, and every particle will be fixed and stable in its point in space. This outcome is the most likely, because it is what naturally happens when dark energy and gravity are both stable. Therefore, the universe will likely end as an enormous bowl of uniform formless matter. Interestingly, there is a tiny chance that random quantum fluctuations, after the heat death, will happen in such a way as to recreate the universe in a specific situation. We can't be sure when it will happen, but there is a chance. This was all for today. We have examined the beginning, the present, and now the end. Join me next time. Until then, be well.